Subscribe to GK Geeks YouTube channel and activate bell icon to watch more general knowledge videos. In this video, we are going to learn top 20 Indian polity general knowledge questions for all competitive exams. Question number 1. Fundamental rights are not given to. Options: A. Bankrupt persons, B. Aliens, C. Persons suffering from incurable diseases, D. Political sufferers. Answer: D. Political sufferers. Question number 2. Which part of the Indian Constitution had been described as the soul of the Constitution? Options: A. Fundamental rights, B. Directive principles of state policy, C. The preamble, D. Right to constitutional remedies. Answer: D. Right to constitutional remedies. Question number 3. The word Hindus in Article 25 of the Constitution of India does not include. Options: A. Buddhists, B. Jains, C. Sikhs, D. Parsis. Answer: D. Parsis. Question number 4. Panchayati Raj system in India is laid down under. Options: A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties, C. Directive principles of state policy, D. Election Commission Act. Answer: C. Directive principles of state policy. Question number 5. Equal pay for equal work has been enshrined in the Indian Constitution as one of the. Options: A. Fundamental rights, B. Directive principles of state policy, C. Fundamental duties, D. Economic rights. Answer: B. Directive principles of state policy. Question number 6. The President of India enjoys emergency powers of. Options: A. 2 types, B. 3 types, C. 4 types, D. 5 types. Answer: B. 3 types. Question number 7. Many times the President of India can seek re-election to his post. Options: A. Once, B. 2 times, C. 3 times, D. Any number of times. Answer: D. Any number of times. Question number 8. Which of the following appointments is not made by the President of India? Options: A. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, B. Chief Justice of India, C. Chief of Air Staff, D. Chief of Army. Answer: A. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question number 9. What is the maximum age limit prescribed for the post of the President of India? Options: A. 58 years, B. 60 years, C. 62 years, D. There is no maximum age limit. Answer: D. There is no maximum age limit. Question number 10. Rashtrapati Bhavan was designed by. Options: A. Edward Stone, B. Lee Corbusier, C. Edwin Lutyens, D. Tarun Dutt. Answer C. Edwin Lutyens. Question number 11. President of India is elected by the options A. Members of the Lok Sabha, B. Members of both houses of the Parliament, C. Members of the state legislature, D. By an electoral college consisting of the elected members of both houses of the Parliament and state assemblies. Answer D. By an electoral college consisting of the elected members of both houses of the Parliament and state assemblies. Question number 12. To be eligible for election as President of India, a person must have completed the age of options A. 25 years, B. 30 years, C. 35 years, D. 40 years. Answer C. 35 years. Question number 13. The President of India is elected by the members of an electoral college which does not include options A. The elected members of the Rajya Sabha, B. The elected members of Lok Sabha, C. The elected members of the State Assembly, D. The elected members of the state legislative councils. Answer D. The elected members of the state legislative councils. Question number 14. Which one of the following offices is held during the pleasure of the President of India? Options A. Vice President, B. Chief Justice of India, C. Governor of a State, D. Chairman of UPSC. Answer C. Governor of a State. Question number 15. Which article of the Constitution of India can the President of India be impeached? Options A. Article 61, B. Article 75, C. Article 76, D. Section 356. Answer A. Article 61. Question number 16. Who is the executive head of state in India? Options A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Leader of Opposition, D. Chief Secretary, Government of India. Answer A. President. Question number 17. In India, the President is elected by options A. Direct election, B. Single transferable vote, C. Proportional vote system, D. Open ballot system. Answer B. Single transferable vote. Question number 18. The first President of independent India hails from options A. UP, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer C. Bihar. Question number 19. Who among the following is appointed by the President? Options A. Attorney General of India, B. Comptroller and Auditor General, C. Governor of a State, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Attorney General of India, Comptroller and Auditor General, Government of a State. Question number 20. Acting Chief Justice of the Supreme Court in India is appointed by the options: A. Chief Justice of Supreme Court, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Law Minister. Answer: C. President. Thank you for watching.